Blah. You know what? I'll be nice enough to put some strawberry in it for you. No sugar. You get you a little mixture.
What?
Sit down. It's too early for all this. You can cook, man. You burnt it. You burned my waffle.
You burned your waffles. I didn't have anything to do with it.
My waffle.
You put the waffle in there, you're the waffle monitor.
No, you burned it, man. Chris burned my waffle.
Lena, where's your card? Where's your card from your Auntie Pam? Let me see it.
Lena, your chocolate milk.
Watching Caillou. What? Did you call me Daddy?
Oh, man. This sucks.
Oh, great. Now she just said sucks.